Good morning. This is actually cool. Like he built shade. Those are like, you know, like small huts for the roosters. So cool, like. See that? Amazing. I'm in a village just outside that place where I wanted just to kind of like explore the inlands, you know. Hello, brother. Good morning. And just check out, like, you know, I'm taking it easy because it's still early, but it's gonna get hot later on. And there probably will be more videos as well. But look how tropical this is, like, just so beautiful, man. The palm trees, coconut, and all of them there. You can see some coconuts there. Very beautiful. I made it like a kind of wrong turn. Well, not a wrong turn. I didn't know where I was going anyway, but I ended up here, and it was good. And that caught my attention. But like, I'm in a village here, like so basic. I love it. Anyway, let's head and see what's gonna be next. Look at this view. Color of the water is absolutely amazing. Like, gorgeous. Very beautiful. Hello. Hello. It's the way how they look at me. It's funny. Look how raw this is. It's amazing. Like, it's as raw as it can be. Yeah, we can go actually. Let's go this way. Yeah, sure. Why not? Wow. Oh, this is like a Christmas tree. Look at it, made of plastic bottles. Like, it's amazing. Yeah, that's a health center here. I was riding for literally in the last shot, I think like 30 seconds. After that turn I made, 30 seconds, and I arrived to this. And oh my God. So we have like a local village here. Beautiful view. Not touristic at all. There's absolutely no reason for a tourist to be here. Well, traveler on the other hand, there is. I think she's making tea or drink or something. Hello. ¿Cómo está acá? You're making drink? No. No? It's coffee, no? You make coffee? Coffee and some food. No, I don't want food. I want coffee.
You want coffee?
Yeah.
What kind of coffee?
What kind can you make?
Blanca.
Blanca?
Brown coffee.
Brown coffee?
Like this one.
Oh, like this one?
This one?
Okay, I'll have one. Yeah.
Coffee.
Yeah, sure, one.
Cup.
How much is it?
10 pesos.
Okay, give me one, please. Ah, so lovely. How are you?
Fine.
Yes? You live here?
Yes. I just want to take some coffee before I go to work.
To work? What do you do for work? I like your cup, by the way. You make me smile. Thank you. I make you smile.
Yes.